I'm Fawaz Aladdin. I'm the founder of Freiq with my partner Rajveer Singh Bhagga, who is not here today, unfortunately. But we're here to introduce the brand Freiq. It's a streetwear clothing brand based in Hyderabad. You know, we've been working for over a year on this. We've come out with a unique concept of bold and simplicity. We've done this by actually doing our artworks in-house, hand-drawn, and everything is an expression of our daily lives, emotions, our daily lives, how they progress, and this is what we wanted to put out in our clothing. We're here to inspire the Gen Z. We want the millennials to understand that you can be bold, aspiring, and very inspirational, and just go for it. Just do what you can and be yourself out there. So we have 5 designs that we've brought out. It's called Rose Eye, Abstract, Butterfly, and the Face. And we have more designs coming in the future, but for the time being, what we've worked with is, basically showing everyone that you have to be expressive. You have to show that you have a meaning in life, a purpose, and that's what we're gonna do here. So abstraction, obviously, to do with the weirdness. You don't know what life brings about, so we have to always embrace that. Rose Eye is about surveillance. It's about having an eye out for something new. Just making sure that you can always look for opportunities in life. And Butterfly is the emergence of your adult life. It's when you come out and you go for it. Just spread your wings. Make sure you have all of that and just go for it, and just make sure you follow your dreams. So let's quickly walk around, and I'm going to show you guys the designs, and we can just take a look at it.